What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, like I said in my last video, I said I was gonna make a video on the Neon Knight and the Neon Future. Right now, today's video is about the Neon Future. So day 1, Genesis. So I already completed one and I need 593 PR. Why? So guys, we're about to race and this might be a short or a long video. I don't know how long or short would this video would be. So this event is a Nitro Rush and I'm using Nissan Fairlady 240ZZ bracket Neon Future 589 PR. Why, man? That's a lot. I mean, like, I handle a car that has that much PR, like my McLaren P1, remember? But that's still crazy. And guys, this is a new place in the airport. If you check out my other videos, I've never made a video on the airport before, so this is a new place. Oh my god. You guys see what I mean by crate? I can barely turn this car. Guys, like I said, there's nothing the Sultan Squad can handle, and make sure you subscribe to join the Sultan Squad. I know it is. So moving on to the next race. Come on. I thought I was gonna get something way better, something shiny, you know, like neon, something neonish. Or how do you say it? So moving on to the next race. And I'm still going with the beauty boy. So event 3, time trial. And guys, I'll see you all in the race in 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to race with the Fairlady, Nissan Fairlady. And I think it's ready for action. Yeah, I can do that. I can beat the clock. Oh, I think they're fixing the engine and the plane. This is a secret place. And planes fly in this game. Seriously, this is getting way too awesome, man. Guys, I think this place is only in Neon Future, right? And I think Neon Knight. Yeah, I think so. Only in Neon Future and the Neon Knight. So moving on to the next race, and what is my surprise? Come on, I need something shiny, something neonish. So it's the time trial again. Yeah, guys, and this music also is new. I've never heard it before. Okay, let's go. And that guy talking to me is a new guy. Never met him before. Never talked to him before. I think this is his car. Dang it. I missed the jump. Oh, I ain't missing this one. Hell yeah, I didn't miss it. Oh, that was so close. Oh, come on. The finish line is close. Close. Did you guys see that? I almost flipped my car. Okay, probably not my car. Not for now. It's not my car. I almost flipped it. But I don't think that's possible in this game. So if I complete this mission, I got, yes, I will upgrade it. Okay. Guys, I'm trying to upgrade the car so I can race and, finish the race, then move on. So let's see if this is enough. Oh yes, it is. Guys, I always got you covered. I always got the Sultan squad covered. So we've upgraded the car, and now time to finish the event, to finish what was started. Yo, my people, it's time to race again with the fair lady. Okay, no problem, man. I got you. I got you covered. Guess we're about to win this. Just like a piece of cake. Just like a piece of cake. And guys, I don't know this, like the $5, instead of $5, giving me 5 ATM card. Don't know what that is, but I'm definitely sure it's useful. So what is my surprise? Come on. Oh, I completed the chapter. So if guys, they're telling me if I find a blueprint of this car, don't know what that kind of car is, but if I find a blueprint, I'm getting this car. Oh my god. Hell yeah, I'm ready. Okay. Continue. Oh my god, this is about to get way too awesome. So we have unlocked chapter 2 and time to race. Guys, this is about to get awesome and awesome and awesome and awesome. But the only problem we got is I'm running out of ATM card to race. But guys, I always got you covered. Guys, I am back and it's time to race. Overrevved. This card itself overrevved itself. Not me. Dang guys, this car is damn fast. I don't think it's faster than my Micro Run B1. I don't think so. Or I don't know. Maybe. Yes or no? Comment down below if you think it's faster. Let me know. Man, that was like a piece of cake. So guys, oh, this is ticket. So out of event ticket, what you need to advertisement to reduce the time you have to wait. So yeah, I need those to race in this place. I'm gonna have to end the video, you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't worry though, I'm gonna upload up to 2 videos a day. That's kind of crazy. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And guys, make sure you subscribe to join the Sultan Squad, and it could help me upload every single day. And we could tell the haters that this is a successful YouTube channel. And make sure you like, and make sure you comment down below. Is it faster than my McLaren P1, the Nissan Fairlady? And make sure you turn on post notifications on to get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And make sure you share it, because sharing is caring, guys. And I'll see you all in the next video.